Hey YouTube, how you doing? Today we're going to do Gone, the Pocahontas song by Ziggy Alberts. One of his older ones, but an awesome little song. It's quite a fast finger picking song, so if you're new to finger picking, try out You, a song for Coda would be my advice. I did a tutorial on it, so I'll link to that. Try that one out, then try this. If you're great at finger picking, then let's crack on. I'll show you the chords first. The intro is not played the same as the verse. So what I'll do is, I'll show you how to strum it. So we've got all the chord changes and the finger changes with your left hand. So I'll go through that bit first, then I'll show you how to finger pick it. So the chords, we've got G, we've got to F sharp, we've got, moves it down a finger to the B note, then it goes to G. And it's kind of like, it goes like this. So we've got down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Does it down, up, and he opens the G, got the G open. Now the second time around of doing that, he then puts his third finger down on the F sharp. Like that, it's that third fret, second string, he puts that third finger down, your ring finger. So the strumming would be stays on it once more, then it goes into the verse. So the finger picking for this, your thumb is going to be doing, the bass note is going to be going all the way through that, all the way through the song pretty much. And where you get your tune is with these two fingers here where he picks it. So to do that, boom, boom, and he hits these two on the second and the third open, hits them open at the same time. Then bass note, third string open, and then the second string. So the last, after you've hit both of them, it goes. Repeats that again to go into the next chord. Little finger. Stay on it. So then he goes into the verse. So the verse, a bit more simpler, he goes, yeah, he's still got his third finger down throughout all of that, so he goes. So he plays that, that's the verse, but after the third time of doing that, he takes his third finger off, so it will be at the end of the verse. Puts it down and then goes back into it with his third finger down. Don't have to do that, but it depends how finicky you get about it. To be honest, it's when he does it live, he changes it up a bit anyway. I'm just going by the album version. So that's the verse and that's the intro. The chorus is on a C, G and F sharp. Gone, strum, and then he hits the second string. He's got a C9 chord, so he'll strum it and he'll hit the second string on the 3rd fret. Strum, pick the 2nd, bass note, 3rd string, bass note, and then that 2nd string again. So that's kind of the technique he uses through the whole thing. Pick it, strum it. And he does that. He does it after the 3rd time doing it. The last time around he'll go into the verse. And his fingers off now. Fingers on. And that's the whole song really. If you listen to it and if you watch it live, there aren't too many performances of this close up on YouTube, but he changes it up a bit. Some of his older ones, he just strums it. But since the album's been released, he's picked that and he's changed it up a bit. Let me know what you think. If you want anything else, if you want any tabs or any more strumming patterns, let me know. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know below. And I'll see you soon for some more Ziggy lessons.